With Power On from Insight Software, you can unify your analysis, data modeling, data collection, planning, forecasting, and write back all from within the comfort of Power BI. Manage and collaborate across key processes, collect and enter data, add detailed commentary, write back in real time, and go further, making Power BI a two-way street. Generate your storage and Power BI models right from Power BI Desktop. Create an app and publish it to end users for real-time data collection. Empower users to forecast collaboratively with integrated planning and analysis. Enter and write back data in the cloud, on-premises, or via Power BI report server, leveraging Power BI access rights and Active Directory to write back to over 200 data sources. Utilize XMLA endpoint, composite models, and premium per user with Power On to make your workday easier than ever before. Leverage powerful planning features, including real-time scenario planning, driver-based modeling, KPI goal-seeking, multi-version simulation, automated data imports, smart formulas, model building and publishing, and Power BI visual planning. It all writes back real-time to Power BI. You can create and manage workflows and approvals, perform master data management activities, build no-code data collection applications to ensure data quality, governance and security, and more. And with Power XL, we're bringing you the future now, enabling the same write-back, forecasting, modeling, and commenting with full client-side spreadsheet functionality, all controlled inside Power BI. Fortune 500 and Global 2000 orgs choose Power On inside Power BI for collaborative, two-way modeling, data collection, and commenting on data points. You've already got Power BI. What are you waiting for?